how to be an influencer.
What's up guys, Jeff Cavalier, AthleanX.com.
What's going on guys? It's David here.
Dildos are objects shaped like human penises.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel.
Stay curious, stay curious. Travis?
I want to be an influencer.
No, you can't. Please don't.
Hey guys. What's up?
I want to be an influencer.
Should I call somebody? Sorry, I don't know how to react in these situations. My dad was an influencer and it really fucked me up.
Your father was a smart man.
Travis, he died trying to take a selfie by a train.
Giving the middle finger.
I know that was rough, but it's going to be different for me.
Have you thought about your bird, Clarence?
Clarence is going to be part of this. I'm going to put him in my posts.
You can't do that to a bird.
People love birds. I'm going to teach them how to feed a vegan bird.
Tell him, Nick. Tell him he can't do that to a bird.
You're gonna put Clarence in your videos? That's animal abuse.
How many vegan birds do you know? How many vegan recipes do you know for birds? 6? 6? Do you know 6?
Yeah, it's 6.
6? Seriously, do you know 6?
You're right, you're right.
You should know 6. 66? That's just ridiculous.
It's always been 6.
I know 20. 20 vegan bird recipes.
Carry the 2.
Do you realize how many people I'm going to get to like, subscribe, and comment?
Don't do it, man.
It's more than 6. I can tell you that much.
How dare you?
I'm going to create a tribe.
Please don't do
And they're
it.
going to be called the C Squad.
You're disgusting.
For Clarence.
This isn't okay.
Travis, don't do it.
Travis, don't. No. No, Travis,
Travis,
don't.
please,
no.
man. You don't want to do this.
No. Travis.
I promise. I will
Travis,
call whatever
no,
you need
don't.
from me. I'll...
Hey guys, welcome to the C Squad.
Stop fighting. Stop it, guys. Stop fighting. That's right. I can eat phones.